Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be actually taking you through a new strap purchase for my Seiko SRPC 55J1. So I bought this watch and actually reviewed it on my channel a few months ago now, and I've really enjoyed the watch. I think the orange dial looks fantastic. But the Seiko bracelet that it came with was beginning to annoy me, and I wanted to replace it with something a bit more sporty and something which matched the actual color of the watch as well. So I went online onto Aliexpress and searched around for a few different straps. I was looking for a rubber strap, something with a little bit of a mix, but what I actually ended up finding, to my surprise, was a strap which actually was not just rubber. So you can see the bottom part here, the part that touches your skin, is actually all rubber here, but the front part here is actually nylon. So I bought it in the black nylon and the orange rubber, and it's got the orange stitching, as you can see, and it came with this deployment strap. So now you can notice that it's got the name Omega there as well. So this strap is actually something that would actually fit the Omega Seamaster 300, I think the Planet Ocean series. And but it looks so good, I thought I'd try it on my watch, and to my surprise it actually fit quite well. So you can see here the actual strap has a little bit of a curvature here, which somewhat matches the curvature of my watch as well. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a light passing through there, but when you are wearing it, it actually looks like it fits reasonably well. So I was, to my surprise, I thought it wouldn't actually fit, but it actually did. So it worked out quite well for me. Now I did have to use a spring bar to get this inserted in. It was one of those bent spring bars, which the watch came with as well. It came with, which the strap came with as well, actually, not the watch. The strap also came with a strap adjustment tool as well, which was good. And I had to use the bent 22 millimeter spring bar to actually make this work. With the straight horizontal one, it wasn't working. I couldn't get the pins to slide into the lugs, but with the bent one it seemed a lot easier, and it actually is pretty stable as well. So I thought I'd give you a look at it. It also has this this clasp. I think it's called a deployment clasp or deployment clasp, and it fits in pretty well. Yes, it does have the Omega logo there as well, and the Omega name there as well, but that doesn't really bother me. It's more about the strap for me, and I think it looks pretty nice on this watch. And here's another look at it from the top as well. Yeah. So the clasp itself is it's not the most heavy duty one, but it seems to work well, and it has a nice click when I do press it in, and it has two buttons on the side to release, and it's quite easy to do that. You can adjust the sizing here based on the holes here as well. You can just pull out the ridge here and then adjust to your wrist size as well. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think the quality of the strap's pretty good. I bought this strap for about $20 AUD delivered. Took about 2 weeks to get it delivered, which is pretty good for AliExpress. And yeah, quite impressed with the quality. There's no markings or anything else, and yeah, everything seems to be done pretty well. The stitching looks amazing on this, I think. Now the only issue that I do have is that the first like centimeter and a half on each side is a little bit stiff compared to the bottom part of the strap. So this is a bit more rubbery, a bit more flexible, as you can see here. So this one here, as you can see, is a bit more flexible, whereas the front part here is quite a lot more rigid. So it does kind of play up on your wrist. So I'll put it on and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, yeah, the strap does go straight all the way down, and then it has, you know, comfortable on the, it is pretty comfortable on the bottom part of the wrist, but because these are all like straight and quite rigid, it could affect the way it sits on your wrist. Seems to be okay on mine at the moment, but it does give that kind of like straight edge kind of look here, which I would rather something which conforms to my wrist a bit more. So I might see how it is and see if I like it within the next couple of weeks or not, and I might go shopping on AliExpress again. I mean, it's only $20. They do offer free returns as well, but I might just keep this one and see if there's any other one that I want to keep. There you go. That's your look at the this AliExpress strap. So if you're looking for a rubber strap with a little bit of a difference with some of the nylon engravings, and you have a watch with and they do offer this strap in different lug widths, but do be aware that the strap does have the curved and link there, so it kind of conforms to the shape of the watch, and it doesn't leave a massive gap between the watch and the actual starting of the strap. So I think that looks pretty good. There weren't many other straps that I could find with that kind of shape or curved shape at the end, and I'm pretty happy with it. There's another look here. There's no tapering here. It seems it's just, actually, is there a taper? Maybe a slight taper, but nothing too massive. Yeah, quite comfortable to wear, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know if you have any questions. I have linked the strap in the description of this video, so you're going to have another look through it. There's a few different colors as well. I think there's blue and red, black and brown, and black and blue. Yeah, a few other different colors and different sizes and things as well, so you can see what you like. They also have different colors in the actual buckle as well, so you can choose a black buckle or gold buckle or silver, rose gold, and also have it without any buckle. So if you don't want the Omega lettering and things, you can get your own buckle from somewhere else and just use it on the strap if you like as well. So that's another option you have. Good stuff. I think I'll finish the video here, but if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.